Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to help you resolve the "you have been kicked due to an unexpected client behavior" error that is code 268 in Roblox. Now this is a very common issue. I'm going to show you step by step on how to actually resolve this so it won't happen in the future. Now the first step is to open up command prompt. So go to the search bar in your Windows laptop or computer and type in CMD. Now right click it and run as administrator. Now from here press yes and it will open up the command prompt as you can see right here. Now I'm going to do some IP addresses prompts, so it's very important to pay close attention to the following commands I'm typing. Now the first command is ipconfig /flush DNS. Now this will flush the DNS servers. From here we're going to type ipconfig /release, and the last command we're going to ipconfig /renew. Now as you can see here, the commands have been ready. Now you can exit out by pressing exit. From here what we will do, we will go into our search bar once again and we're going to reinstall Roblox. So simply press add or remove programs. Go to the control panel. Now what we want to do, we want to type Roblox, and right here we see a load of Roblox's players, so make sure to delete all of them. So go to the three dots right beside it, press uninstall again, press yes, and from here do this for the other ones as well. Now here this is already done. Now what we want to do is we want to open up our browser and go to Roblox download. Now this will open up the official Roblox website, downloads the Windows application, and as you can see here, the Roblox player installer.exe. You can simply follow this. This is very important, step by step, and install Roblox. And the last method that we're going to use, we're going to the search bar once more right here, and we're going to type in run. So press run, and this will open up the run system. Now we're going to the local data inside our computer. So type in local app data /%. Press OK. Now this will open up the local app data folder. Let's find Roblox right here. So go to the R, and as we can see right here we have the Roblox folder. Right click this and delete this folder. So show more options, and right here we can delete this. Now here, try again. As you can see, it's open in another program, so make sure to have Roblox closed or even restart your PC. After all these steps, make sure to restart your PC as well, so everything will be safe and set. Now this will fix your issue, the Roblox 268 error. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.